Welcome to my presentation on PlaceMarks Assignment 1 for Web Development. So I'm going to try go through this quick enough so I can get to maybe a little bit of my code. So if I wanted to log in as an admin, Homer Simpson is my admin. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I submit here. This redirects me to the admin dashboard. So currently I have 6 categories, 4 users, and 10 place marks in the database. So I have already changed a few things. So I am in here. Bart is there. Helen of Troy was Marge Simpson, but I was editing users, so we can edit that back. So if I want to log out here now and log in as Marge, if I remember her password, I think it was this. Yeah, so she is Helen of Troy. So we're going to change that now. So I'm going to edit her with my edit user back to Marge. So I don't get confused. Marge and secret. Okay, so if I submit that there, that should have edited the user and I can sign back in as herself. And submit. And we're back to being Marge Simpson. Okay, so let me just show you my dashboard. So I have seeded these 6 categories: desert, forest, grassland, aquatic, woodlands, and Arctic, so that users can go to these particular destinations and upload animals that they spot in the wilderness. So these cannot be deleted because I have seeded booleans to see if they're true or false to make sure that they can't be deleted, and they appear on everyone's page that signs up and logs in. So for this particular profile, she is allowed to add her own categories and store them herself. So I'm going to say river as a category, so you can see the difference between regular categories and seeded ones. So with a regular category that a normal user uses, the delete will come up. But we can go in here now and we can enter, I'm going to say Niagara Falls. It's not in Cairo, Egypt, but we'll put it in there anyway. I'm going to say otter, and I'm going to just pick random numbers here. Perfect. So that has gone in there. So if I want to upload an image, I didn't do this very well and it needs a good bit of work, but it does work somewhat. It needs a bit of tweaking. So if you want to upload an image, you press the load button, which I have made an on click in my HBS. So if I click here and then I choose a file, it'll open up my files on my computer. And if I choose this one here and then move myself and upload, that should have gone to the place mark that I just created. And if I want to view that image, I just click on this little view button here. So that image shows up there. If I want to edit this user, I can go in here, and it's not in Cairo, it's actually in Ontario. And I should be able to do that now. And it is back to here. So that's working there now. I tried to do a bit on place marks, but I didn't get the chance to. But I made this little marker with a frog, so I intend to make potentially different markers to suggest which animals are spotted in different directions. In the next version, I might not be able to get that done, but we'll try. So that's that. So edit works, and I'm going to add another one just to show that I can delete it. And let's go with 5. Add and delete. So that's deleted there. So I also made an about page. I made it to tell you all about what my app does and how people can use it. I can go back to the dashboard now, just in case there's anything I've forgotten. No. Yes, so I was going to say, if I wanted to get to admin as a normal user, it redirects me to the dashboard. I realized that was a bug in my code, and I was able to log in with Marge and be able to delete everyone's admin. So I made sure to secure that. So if I log out and go back to the dashboard now, I should see changes. Homer Simpson. And let's say secret again. Marge should have been updated back to her normal self, and a few more place marks have been added. Perfect. So Marge is back to normal here, and I'm just going to show you I can delete a user by deleting myself. So I am gone. So this is the functionality of my website. This is where I did my analytics in my code, just to find the lengths of the different users categories and place marks, and just general view on to control the view on the admin dashboard. I have many more controllers. That's the edit user. That's pretty simple. My PlaceMark controller, my naming is atrocious, but I look forward to being more meticulous with my naming for the next project. Unfortunately, I ran out of time to properly refactor, but yeah, so that is my assignment. And if you have any more questions about code or anything like that, let me know, and I'd be happy to go through it. Thank you.